Today we are going to talk about Francisco de Goya, one of the most famous painters in Spain. Firstly, we are going to talk about a short biography, the evolution of his style, and one of his paintings. Goya was born on March 30 in 1746 in a small town called Fuente de Todos, which is located in Zaragoza. He began his art studies when he was a teenager, and then he spent a little time in Rome, Italy, just to advance his skills. Then, in 1770, Goya began to work for the Spanish royal court. In addition to his immense portraits to the nobility, he created works that criticized the social and political problems of his era. This famous painter, at first, learned by imitation. He copied the works of great masters. For example, one of these artists is Velázquez and another one is Rembrandt van Rijn. When Goya returned to Zaragoza, he began his studies under Francisco Bellu, who became a close friend. So then Goya married Bellu's sister, who was called Josefa, or as well Pepa. Goya had a lot of children with Josefa, but only one had survived to the adulthood. This one was called Javier. Goya said one time that his son was so beautiful that people on the street in Madrid stopped to look at him, and he was an intensely proud father. When his son fell ill, Goya wrote that he stopped living for the whole period, that it means that he suffered a lot because of his little children, because he loves him a lot. Francisco de Goya began his career as court painter under Charles III. Then he established himself as a favorite of Charles IV, becoming the first court painter to the king. This was the highest position for an artist in the royal household. Then he would serve in his capacity until the Napoleonic invasion. Though he continued to gain commissions from the new regime after pledging his allegiance to the Bonapartists. During this period, Goya befriended the influential Prime Minister Manuel de Godoy. This one commissioned other works from the artist for his private collection, for example, the Maja Desnuda. This painting led to widespread speculation